Okay, so I'm going to jump in and give you a demonstration of a prompt that will give an error in the code so we can repair it. So I'm going to paste in here, build a SuperTrend strategy that trades during market hours, and I'm going to select DeepSeek Pro. Now, DeepSeek Pro is one of our lower end models, even though it's an advanced model, and hopefully this will throw some errors so I can give you the demonstration. Okay, let's come back with Prompt Builder. So normally when you design a strategy or anything like that, you would run through the Prompt Builder that would build the prompt for you. And this does reduce bugs and errors, so you probably wouldn't get any. But if you wanted to bypass this, you can say build with Xen anyway. And I'm just going to build the strategy bypassing the Prompt Builder. So, you've got a higher probability that there might be a bug in the code if you do it this way using a very low model like DeepSeek Pro. Okay, Xen has returned the first code for us to check. And what we do next, the first thing we do is we do a build check to make sure there's any errors. So I click on here, it's going to do a build check now. And if there are any bugs, we can actually repair them. So it's come back saying the namespace SuperTrend could not be found. And you could just click repair build errors here and it will attempt to build it. But I'm going to change the model. GPT Codex is very good. GPT 5.6 Luna is very good. So I'm going to select that. Click on build repair errors. Now, hopefully that will repair the bug in the code or the error in the code, and we could also ship that straight to NinjaTrader. Okay, that's come back with the code and it's doing an automated build check. And it's done. So it's actually passed, and that's the way to do it. But one of the strange things I noticed is that GPT Luna right now is like 5 times cheaper than Codex. Codex is supposed to be the advanced model, but I find that Luna for NinjaTrader code is an excellent model, and we're thinking of pushing this up in the scale. Not only is it a very cheap model to use, but it's very capable. We're also finding DeepSeek Pro not as great as we thought it was. So we actually adjust these models and change them as we go along to reduce any errors or bugs in the code because they have more up-to-date training. Plus, we have trained our AI models anyway. So for this SuperTrend strategy, we are going to train that after this so that this wouldn't happen in future. But this was there just as a demonstration to show you how you can build your, how you can repair your bugs as you're going through the build process. Now, once it's built okay and you've done a build check, the next thing you can do is download the add-on. Install the add-on as a zip file. You'll probably go into NinjaTrader, open up NinjaTrader, and you can import this add-on straight into NinjaTrader and start using it. So this was a demonstration to show you how to fix errors using Xen for NinjaTrader for all your Ninja scripts out there. Okay, so if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.